Think your trucking insurance rates are just what they are? Think again. I'm about to show you how smart drivers are saving big in 2025. California premiums keep climbing, thanks to inflation, increased accident rates, and stricter underwriting. But here's the truth: not every driver is paying the same. Now, I will show you 5 ways to lower your premium in 2025. The first in the list is install dash cams, and use them, because more insurers are offering discounts if you have verifiable footage, especially with AI dash cams. 2. Raise your deductible. If you can afford a higher deductible, it could significantly lower your monthly premium. 3. Park your truck in a safer location. Where you park overnight affects your rate. Secure yards greater than street parking. 4. Review your policy annually. Many truckers are still on last year's pricing, even though their driving record or routes have changed. Last but the most important is 5. Work with a trucking-specific agent. General agents won't find niche carrier discounts or know California's unique filing rules. That will cost you. Tell your agent everything: where you haul, what you carry, how often you're on the road. The more we know, the better we can tailor a policy and unlock savings. I work with California truckers every day, and I know how to get you the best possible policy for your rig, routes, and reality. Do you want to get a custom quote in minutes? Let's review your current policy. No pressure. Save money without cutting corners. Subscribe for more ways to protect your truck and your wallet.